nagagawa. Yan yung camera niya. May timer din. Pwede din mag-timer. Wow. Sino nagbigay niyan, Mia? To give you the camera. Tito Toto. Smile. Why you have to move when it's nearly 1? You silly. Picture lang siya. Pwede sa front. Pwede din dyan. Tapos may games din to. Naglaro din siya ng games dito. Di battery lang siya, guys.
I want to play games now.
Okay. Oh, you're still taking pictures. Hold it and smile. Oh, no. You canceled it. Say good morning, people. Say, people, today is... Good morning. Today is Mia's birthday. How old are you now? Today... How old are you now?
No.
You're busy pa? Busy siya, guys. Hindi ko pa siya pinapababa. Oh! What happened? Silly.
Come on, you can do this.
You can do this.
Get the power.
What's Daddy playing?
It's
The alien. Oh,
He knows how to play it.
He knows how to play now? You teach Daddy?
Please, just get all the aliens so you win.
So, nandito na tayo sa baba, guys. Good morning pala. Today is Mia's birthday, 2nd of July. So, pinalabas ko yung gift for Mia. Ayan na siya. And the balloons, nilagay ko dito para to surprise her. So, sabi ko kay Daddy, i-ready niya to. So, si Daddy nag-ready niyan. And then, ako yung bumaba to get the cupcake ready. So, ito yung cupcake ni Mia. So, hindi siya pumapasok. Ayan. Ayan, pumasok to siya pero na-broken. Ayan, kasi mabuti na lang may cupcake tayong natira. So, ayan, may 4. Ito yung sa birthday cake niya. Dinala ko talaga dito sa bahay sa birthday niya. So, ayan. Ayan yung kanyang pa-birthday cupcake. So, kakantahan natin siya while she's going down the stairs or pag nandyan na siya. Kasi ito yung makikita niya agad. So, let's do that. Let's message Daddy na ready na. Okay, let her go down. We sing happy birthday, Daddy.
Take my bread.
Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mia. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip. Alright. Can you say it? Hip hip. Hip hip. Right.
Blow the candle. Yay! Look.
Look what you got. You got Daddy already?
What's that, my love? Wow! What do you have there?
It was at the top. Why? I did the top.
Also on the top.
You wanna sit on the top?
Daddy, see that?
Let's do this and then take me a picture, mommy, okay?
Okay, take picture first.
Sit on the top.
Oh, you're gonna break that.
Take me a picture.
Okay, ready? 1, smile. You also have to be on the side.
You can hug Elsa. Hug Elsa. Hug Elsa. Yeah, like that. Show the face like that. Yeah, like that.
Okay. 1. Oh, the 4th. Lucky we still have your balloon. 1, 2, 3, smile. 1, 2, 3, smile. Also, it's not facing this way. Okay. Smile. 1 more. Okay, ready? Smile. Good job, my baby. Good job, baby. Okay, farther. Smile. I love it. I love the smile.
What is in that box?
Secret. It's a secret. Okay, put Elsa here lang. Okay,
Secret?
It's a secret.
What do you mean secret?
Okay, smile na Mia. Smile, hurry
How
up.
come you have two camera, Mom?
Mia, smile.
How come you have
Yeah.
two cameras?
1, 2, 3, smile. Dali na. Uy.
It was a really, really big present.
I know.
You like it?
Can you smile first? Come, Mami.
It's too big.
Yeah, you can open up and you can
Look
play
at-
with
Uy,
Angelo.
smile, Anay.
Huh?
Hoy.
No, it's too big.
Smile,
I
Anay.
can't reach it.
Okay.
Smile, Anay, kay Mami. Smile, Anay, dali.
It's a little bit.
Ay, smile. Yay. Good job. Okay, that's enough. Whew,
You
nasa
can
tayo.
open your present now.
You're gonna open your
Yeah,
present?
then open it.
Now you go down by yourself. You'll be good. You'll be good now.
No, it was right.
Right, Mia will open the present, guys.
It's easy to open for me. I want to open it now.
Open it.
Okay.
And I make
Just don't make a mess, okay? Make sure your paper is packed properly.
What's this? What is this? What did you do? What is this? What the? Writing on this.
What is that? What do you think is that, Mia? What do you think it is?
Something.
And we can get something so I can put a papers in.
Yeah, later we'll put it outside.
Bobby.
It's a Barbie motorbike.
Bobby motorbike.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
Wait. Hello, this baby. Ay, ang good idea.
Daddy? Where's the, ano? I was gonna eat that cake. Yeah.
You wanna eat cupcake first?
Kain tayo. Kaon ta. Kaon ta. Is Mia ready to go play? Ride the scooter? You sure? Oh my gosh, Daddy have to assemble it. Oh my goodness, Daddy. Daddy have to assemble everything. Just for the outside, Daddy.
What's Mia doing?
Daddy don't have space here. Remove the box.
Is that it?
Yeah, and the book.
How about the battery? Have you fit the battery properly?
I see it in your eyes. Yeah, I can read the signs. You need to get away. It's time we make a change. Oh, you know you'll always have me. Baby, I will always stay with you. So put your trust in me. We'll work it out.
Alright, so si Daddy and si Mia nag-assemble ng kanyang scooter. Ang laki ng scooter na yan. Di pa tapos, Daddy have to get some tools outside. So magluluto ako ng lunch while they're assembling it. May appointment si Mia, doctor's appointment at 1:40. So after ng lunch, mag-ready tayo and yeah, get ready for her appointment. Appointment siya, guys, kasi may sumasakit yung tiyan niya. Ilang beses na siya nagreklamo na masakit yung tiyan niya. And ilang beses ko na din siya pina-check up. But, binigyan lang siya ng Movicol, which is yung pang-constipation. And that's what I did nung Saturday. Binigyan ko siya ng pinadrink ko siya nun. And the next day, nang the same time, dun siya nag-start pooping and stuff. Pero, still hurting daw. So, I don't know if it's still gonna continue. Last night, nag-complain na naman siya masakit yung tiyan niya. This morning, okay naman siya this morning. Pero, just in case na, yeah, sumakit ulit. At least, yeah, nagpa-doctor na kami. I'll try to air fry this, Daddy. Want me to air fry this? The sausage? Yeah, air fry natin to, guys. Ito yung sausage from Vietnam. May in-orderan din yung kasi nilin ito dito. Meron pa kaming leftover. I have sinigang here na binili ko kahapon. Nag-grocery kami ni Mama and hindi ako nag-vlog. So, I still have sinigang na take away. The pickled cucumber, binili ko sa MCQ. Ganyan yung itsura niya. Is this good, Daddy? Did you try this, the pickled cucumber?
It's okay, not the best.
Not the best. Yeah, kasi sabi ko mahilig sila sa mga ganyan. Ano siya, Vietnamese pickled cucumber. So, sila naman kumakain yan. Hindi mo na ako kumakain. Pero, nagtitikim-tikim ako. Then, I have the Kiev. Dito, chicken Kiev. Oh, wow! Mia, so good. Tingnan niyo siya.
If you hold here, the other hand you hold. Yeah, and lift this up a bit.
Hindi ko nakakita. Oh, wow! Mia's doing the... What's that? Spanner? Mia is so great! Wow! Very good, girl! Good job, Mala. Who's the guy in Barbie?
Cat.
Ken.
Now, Barbie say, a Barbie girl and a Barbie wear hat. And I'm not saying,
Fantastic.
I don't call
You can brush my hair.
me.
Oh, sorry.
And then don't call me Elsa too. Going to sing Anali, sing Anali.
And then, I'm gonna cook this dried fish. Sa bigan na mata to galing, guys. Ready? The sausage is cooked? Or how do you cook it? Like toasted? Or is this enough? Ready? Ready, the sausage. Look. Alright, cook na yung sausage ni Daddy. Ito lang yung sausage. Ganyan lang siya, guys. Iniwa ko lang siya ng maliliit. Ayan. Meron siyang parang egg. Salted egg. Kita nyo ba? And may pepper sa loob. Vietnamese sausage siya. Tada! Ay, kita nyo ba? Tada! It's ready for me as lunch. Hotdog na. Ano, iba yung ketchup. Hindi yung banana ketchup.
Pretty good. Yeah, I'm just
Tomato sauce.
trying to rush this.
Yung gamit natin.
I heard back from the finance company today.
Una na siya kain, guys. Gutom na siya. Breakfast brunch niya na to. Hindi siya nag-breakfast eh, kasi late na kami bumama. You wanna do it by yourself? Very hot. Very hot.
We'll see if we get in a car and drive someplace far. Yeah, we could go for a ride. The two of us, we don't have to stop. Baby, let's go for a ride. You and I, let us run away. We can go where we want.
So guys, we're back in the car. Tapos na siya sa appointment niya.
That's hiding.
So kailangan niya lang mag-urine test or ipapa-ultrasound. Kasi ilang balik na kami guys sa kanyang pa-stomach pain dito. So, it's either constipation or something else.
Oh no.
I think she has constipation then before.
No. I'm thinking.
Kasi nahirapan siya mag-push last time. So, I think that's part of it. Pero ngayon, kasi nang binigyan ko siya ng movie call, okay naman. Parang nagpo naman siya. Pero she's still complaining na may pain. May sore daw tummy niya. So, I've got all the referral here. So, meron akong urine test. Binigyan ako nito. And then, ultrasound scan sa abdomen niya. So, hopefully, wala namang something wrong. So, nagpabook na din ako ng flu vaccine naming dalawa. And immunization. Kasi 4 na siya guys. So, due na siya for another immunization. Yung rubella and something else. Kailangan ko mag-top up. Top up muna tayo.
What's calling you?
Someone calling me?
Nobody was calling you.
Oh, no one's calling me. Okay. Tignan mo yung dress niya.
Nobody doesn't need help. Nobody doesn't need cops.
Who dressed you today?
Daddy.
Daddy? And she wanted to wear that dress. Tingnan niyo naman kung saan siya pupunta. Pumunta lang naman siya ng doctor.
Mermaid dress. But did you know all the pink is mermaid dress?
All the pink is mermaid dress. Who gave you that dress? You remember? Tita Pearl and Tita Jan Jan.
And also Tita Tata.
No, Tito Toto give you the camera. Ikaw na talaga may camera. Tara, let's go inside. We're home na, guys. So, yan yung kanyang scooter. And hindi pa siya pwede gamitin. Kailangan siya i-charge ng 8 hours ata. So, dyan lang muna yung kanyang scooter. Hindi pa yan fully charged. Pinatry ko lang sa kanya. Wow! Ah! Stop! Turn around! Turn around! Turn around! Oh! Mia's coming! 3, 2, 1, go! Woo! Turn this way! Good job! Andyan pa kasi yung box. Di pa nalagay sa labas. Oh my God! She knows how to... Oh my gosh. You're so good at it. Okay, mommy, charge first. So it's fully charged. Ready na siya. Ito tayo park, guys. Kanina na pa gusto mag-park. Ay, pwede doon. It's cold, man. Nandito na kami sa park. Nakatulog siya kanina, guys. Ay, bongga naman talaga yung dress ko, sis. Inaapakan, eh. You're stepping on your dress? Sige na, go up na. Ito yung paborito niya. Hanggang dun. Good job, Mia. Sige na, go. Steady man siya. Yay! Pangalawang balik niya na yan. Nandun na siya. Nagsuslide na siya. Doon talaga siya umakyat. Usually doon. Wait for mommy. You okay? Do you feel dizzy? Nalalaglag yung bini niya pag nakaikot. Do you feel dizzy? Gusto niya eh. There, Mia. Oh, not yet. Do you wanna go there now? Oh, wait. Okay, there.
He's too ugly to show.
1, 2, 3, go! Oh my goodness.
Why you have to?
This girl talaga.
I can't. Because she's adorable. You're very adorable. And you're very small.
2, 3, go! Ah!
Is he ugly? It's good. I don't know. Average-ish. Sorry, Gora.
Go! Ah!
You're screaming for that. Sorry, didn't mean she threw me. Hey, get
Ginabi na kami sa park. Ayaw niya pa umuwi. Ah, 6 na siguro. Pupunta din naman kami dito mga 5. Tara na. Umuwi na yung mga tao. Meron pang natara. But yeah. Come on, let's go home. Let's go. Let's go.
I don't want to go in this anymore.
Hmm?
Stop it.
5:35 pa lang pala. Last one daw. Oh, dali na. Come on. Go up. And then you go there also. You can go down the slide. Ay, nako. Another last one. Kanina pa ng last. Pero last na talaga to. This is the last one, yeah? Oh, dali. Hurry up. Mababa na siya. Come on, go down the slide.
I'm coming. I'm coming. Did you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Oh, where are you then? Then
Bye.
no, I'm coming. I'm coming.
Bahay na kami. Tingnan niyo, tinanggal niya na naman sa charger. Di pa nga puno. Marunong na siya. Marunong siya mag-operate. Where are you going? Hala. Tulog pa. Okay. Punta kami dun sa kebab, guys. Pili kami ng food ni Mia. Okay. Andyan lang yung kebab. Ano nga to si Mia, oh. Hurry up. Tingnan mo siya, gusto niya yan. Mia, don't heat it. It's gonna break. Order lang ako kebab, guys. Dito. Tingnan siya, gusto niya yung orange juice. Kain tayo, guys. Ito yung kay Mia. I've got my kebab here. Hindi siya pwede nito kasi maanghang yung switch. Pero pwede naman. Pwede siya magkagat. Malaki nito, guys. Hindi ko ito mauubos. Parang nasunog man yung calamari.
Mommy, it was broken before.
This one. I changed na pala yung kanyang...
Did you change it?
Yeah, I changed it. Because it was broken.
What's that one?
I changed the straw. Don't bite it na, ha? You're a big girl now. You shouldn't be biting it. Okay? Okay, come. Eat na with mommy. Bumili yung kasi ni V ng drink sa Hungry Jack's frozen drink.
Yeah, I'm gonna watch.
Kain tayo, guys. Si Mia dito. Oh, you want ketchup? Let me get ketchup. Nakalabas, nasabi ko na ba? Nakalabas yung iPad niya kasi last time, hinanak ni Daddy kasi nag-karaoke sila. This one. I thought you wanna watch Ninja.
I'm taking different parts.
Oh, eat na. Ang dami ng fries, my gosh.
Mommy, Ninja's finished it.
Not there.
Hello.
Her.
Oh, yeah.
Long ago, Earth's greatest ninja sacrificed himself.
Wow. Pinalagay ko lang sauces with chili. Hiwa tayo strawberry, guys. Bigay ito ng sister-in-law ni V. So, before sila masira, kainin natin. Hindi ko nga naubos yung ano ko, chicken kebab. Ang laki nga eh. Nakakahaf lang ako lagi.